Alpine Express coaster, I think is what Mark said. We got about a 4.5 minute climb here. We got some hikers going up. I love that. So we got other guys coming down. This is the end of the course right here. Absolutely going down. Sweet. No brakes. There will be no brakes in our run. We will not brake. So that, okay, that's a zip line crew that's going up right now. So no hiking, no nothing, zip lining. So just Mark and I are doing the mountain coaster only. Mark is ahead of us right now. I sent him, he was like, he wanted to be behind me because he wanted me to be the buffer. And I was like, nah, bro, there's gonna be no braking. I'm not braking. I got my wrist thing. We're not braking, we're going. So see if we can get some, oh, we got a little dip here. Let's check this out. Oh. All right, so things are getting a little different and interesting with the thing, so I'm gonna let the video go, and we'll be back. And I'll just say it on the thing. And like I said, the guy who was told to put his GoPro away has his GoPro out with no safety, no latch, nothing. People, why don't you guys follow rules? Ah! Be careful! He pressed the brake! Ah! That was Mark. So after just seeing that, this looks a little bit intense. So can I do the non-brake? I'm going non-brake. We're gonna do it, but it's gonna be scurry. So, all right, let's get up here. Let's get up here and do that turn. Oh, oh, there we go. There we go, baby. Let's go. Woo! Have a great day. Have fun. Let's go. Oh, we got some speed. Oh. Told you, no day, no break. We on. We're on. Woo! Oh, airtime. Oh. Oh. This thing is moving. Here we go, camera time. Oh my God. Slow down. Oh, slow down. Slow down. Man, I was moving. Ha 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 ha. Slow down. There he is, Mark. Oh, I was hauling. Caught up to the champ. I had so much time. They kept me down here for a while. Okay. So yeah. Oh man, that was exciting.
Here you go. Step off to the right.
Thank you, sir. Where's the? There it is. Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
You have a nice day.
Thank you. Oh, see, so nice. It's nice to have gentleman who says have a nice day, so I appreciate that. So that was an awesome ride. I did not stop. I am not shaking, but I'm shaking with adrenaline right now because, man, hearing that thing pop and shake me up. That mountain coaster was nice. That was really nice. That was right, huh?
Yeah.
I saw you fly. Did you hear me yell at you?
I had to stop.
I know, because that's what I was worried about. I saw her braking, and she was braking already, and I was like, oh, man, that's going to suck. So, yeah. Oh, man. What a sweet ride, though. I would actually travel back out here and do this again.
I would too. That was excellent.
Oh, awesome. All right, well, I think that stuff's wrapping up here. And now we are off to Darney Park. Darney Park.